Greetings all. Today I'm going to be installing the GUKIBO USB outlet. I have one of the previous versions here and I'll explain why in just a second. But this is how it arrived. Okay, out of package. The contents, you have additional screws, the instructions, and faceplate, and the unit itself. The difference between the older unit and the newer unit, the dimensions are pretty much the same, but as you can see, the newer version is not as deep, and also has these wires to connect directly to the wires that come out of the wall, as opposed to having to jam the wires into these holes or wrapping around this connector. Okay, all you will need for this install will be a screwdriver and your own twist caps. That is the only issue I have with delivery, is that if they want you to connect it this way, they should supply you with the twist caps that you need. All right, take these little things off. I've already disconnected the power out of the breaker box, and it's very simple. You just connect white to white. Oops, got away from it there. White to white, twist on the twist cap. Secure. Do the same thing with the black wire. I'm not gonna lie, that white paint threw me off for a second. Had to pause, make sure. Then you connect the ground wire to the bottom. And that's it as far as the connections. Then go ahead and you push everything back on the wall. That one. Family's upstairs having fun. For the plate. dust proof plate. Okay, I'm gonna pause and then go turn the breaker back on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Re-energize the outlet, and if it's working properly, I'm gonna stick this into the USB port, plug it into my phone, and if it's working, there's the battery icon. And there it is, it's charging, so everything seems to be working fine. Pretty easy install. Hope you get it, hope you like it.